Alrighty guys and gals, we got a cool little special delivery today. Skip's Dark Hollow Garage, man. How is it going, bro? How has it been, man?
Doing good, doing good. How you doing today?
I'm doing excellent, man. I heard you're in the area getting you a converter today.
Yeah, buddy, and I got something for you too I want to show you over here.
Oh man, let's check this out, buddy. Let's go see it.
So Houston needed another wheel.
Oh man. Let's check that out, dude.
He had a 15x7 actual Pontiac rim, and he's going to put it on the Tempest over here.
Heck yeah, man. Brother.
Be up in this area with the converter, I thought, I'm going to give this man a wheel.
Heck yeah, man. Appreciate it. Heck, I love your shirt you got going on there too, man. The old black sheep, man. That thing, that is wicked, man.
The reason we call it the black sheep is it's a Tempest. Everybody likes the GTO and the Le Mans, so it's kind of like the black sheep of the family.
That's right, man. It's old family car. And heck, you're even helping out a fellow Tempest right here, because that's the car it needs it. Heck yeah, man.
Look at that patina.
That is awesome, man. Well, brother, let's get on in here. I know you wanted to see the goat and stuff. This worked out great. You were in town. So let's go down here to the shop and check out the goat. And I got some hats and merch for you too, man. Get you hooked up.
Appreciate you. I got some stickers in the van for you.
Heck yeah, bro. Let's get to it. Ready? All right, man. Come on in, brother. It's like MTV Cribs. You remember that old show?
Yeah.
It's MTV Garage. You know it. All right, come on in here, brother, and check it out. So there's old FMG right there, buddy.
Woo. Folks, look at that. Man, Houston killed it and full metal right here. Baby.
That's it, man.
Right there.
In person. How you like that?
Man. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this car.
Now the crazy part is, man, you're actually not too far away from here. You're Sevierville, man, ain't you? Right around that area.
Pigeon Forge, Sevierville.
Heck yeah, man.
Away.
Heck yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. But yeah, I know, the first time I saw your channel, I seen your flat black Tempest there, and man, that thing was wicked. I was like, subscribe right there, right there on the button. My type of people.
I brought that thing back to life. It took me about a year.
Heck yeah. Now you've got some cool shorts going on right now. Now what all's happening on that right now?
Well, I've never been in an automatic transmission before.
Okay.
And it's shuttered and it slipped.
Okay.
In third gear, and he did it 3 times on my way
home. That's them big burnouts you've been doing there. Heck yeah.
Well,
a little bit.
There's only a little bit of proof of that.
A little bit.
But the forward drum.
Yeah.
The clutch is in it. Completely wiped out.
Gotcha.
I got a short showing that. There's not even any friction material on it anymore. Well, I'm 60 years old. I've never been inside an automatic transmission.
Gotcha.
And I thought, you know what? This one guy says, I'll do your transmission for $950.
Yeah.
He says, but I'm only going to replace what it needs.
Yeah. Oh man, one of those deals, huh?
I think I'm going to try this myself.
There you go.
So, of course, YouTube, wonderful place to be, right?
Yep.
I got about 55 hours of video watching, and I would say the names of the people I'm watching, but I don't know if that'd be right. But some really great videos on how to build a Turbo 400. So I decided to do it myself. Yeah. So probably next weekend, I'll start the actual build on the transmission.
Okay.
I think I might actually videotape it.
That'd be cool, man. I've been watching your shorts, and man, the comments you've been getting, you've been keeping it real on there, and been building it and doing the backyard thing, dude. Yeah. I think it's awesome, man.
Getting weird comments about having a cigarette between my fingers.
Well, hey, man, it's just natural, man. It ain't that big a deal. You know, when you're real and you show what it's like, man, I think people dig that and they love it. And
hey, we're just real.
I mean, that's how we are, man. That's how it is.
I mean, look at this.
Heck yeah, man.
This is real.
It's real. It's all metal.
It's real.
It's the full metal goat.
Full metal goat.
Well, heck yeah, man. Let me get you some shirts here. Definitely appreciate you stopping by. And, man, we'll definitely have to do more stuff together, brother.
Yeah, man. We're close enough.
That's right. That's it.
Yeah, let me get in on you.
Yeah, boom there. We're going to YouTube the YouTuber, right? Here. Well, brother, we got you hooked up with some shirts, some hats.
Yeah, check that out. Got
heck yeah, man.
Full metal goat.
Heck yeah, merch each other up. Definitely appreciate you helping out the Tempest there. I definitely need that rally wheel. And brother, thank you. Nice meeting you.
I appreciate you showing me around the shop, man.
Hey, man, really no problem at all. And if you ever need anything, holler at us.
All right, same to you, brother.
Heck yeah,
really.
bro.
We're close enough. We can help out.
That's right. We can help out. Well,
Yeah.
Pontiac brother, you have yourself a good one, man.
We'll catch you later.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. We'll say bye.
Bye.
See, nope, it's too much pressure. It's too much. All right, buddy. Thank you, man.
Thank you so
We'll see
much.
you. Man, guys, ain't that so cool? Even got the beauty ring to go with it in a center cap, the OG original. Check that out right there, man. That's what we were needing. Boom. It's the right size, right offset, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, it is time to get these things cleaned up. We'll send these wheels off. I believe I'm gonna get them blasted. And I don't know if I'm gonna have them powder coated yet or if I'm just gonna paint them. I'm kind of torn on what it is I want to do, and we'll go from there. But heck yeah, guys, that is so cool. Big shout out to let's see, I got a sticker right here, Skip's Dark Hollow Garage. Y'all be sure and go check him out, man. Very cool dude, and be sure and follow him along on his Tempest while he's rebuilding the 400 in that bad boy, and he's doing it all himself. So cool deal. Heck yeah, man. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate you. A lot more to come on the Full Metal Goat as well. If you can't tell, we like Pontiacs around here. Just got kind of done wrapped up working on this intake, getting the fuel injectors back in it and all that good stuff, getting it cleaned up, getting it ready to rock and roll. So you guys just hold on tight, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming y'all's way. Boom, guys. Heck yeah. Definitely a big shout out to old Skip there, man. That's awesome. And we're getting ready to go show off his t-shirt in style. We're gonna get in my Tempest over here, and we're gonna head down to Jesse's and help him out for a minute. So give you guys an update on the big kahuna. God, my brain right now is dying. So let's go check out the big kahuna, see what's going on there. I think I gotta help Jesse get the radiator in that thing because it's a big old monster. So let's drive down there and see what all's going on. All right, guys, we're headed on down to old Jesse's. We're gonna check out the old big kahuna. I think he needs some help getting a radiator in that thing, and I think he's wrapping up on that bad boy today. So let's get down there and help out a fellow buddy, keeping this old stuff alive, and let's keep these old cars going. So heck yeah, man, and old RVs. That's right, come on. Let's get after it, and let's see what old Jesse Man's up to. Heck yeah, guys, y'all didn't know the old Gertie was a 4-wheel D car, did you? We are off-roading, boys. Heck yeah. Let's get on up through here. Yeah, buddy. Let's see if we can get all right up in here in the shade. Yeah, right in the shade. We're gonna help old Jesse Man out. Jesse Man.
Hey, what's happening?
We're back down here at Gardner Enterprises.
Yeah, there's what is it? Shacktown Salvage.
That's right. Well, golly, man, I still can't get over how tall that radiator is.
Yeah,
Lord
she's
have
a
mercy.
big one. All copper too.
Golly. Don't tell too many crackheads
That's
that.
what I'm saying. I'm surprised it ain't gone yet.
Yeah, Lord mercy. Well, let's check on out in there. All new hoses. Heck yeah, Jesse, man, that's looking good, man.
Yeah, got it. New hoses, new belts, new alternator, new water pump, and she's ready next time she goes. So everything's tight as I could get it, and all the some grounds are grinded down, cleaned up. And
Heck yeah, man. You're in there like swimwear right now, ain't you? Heck yeah. Well, man, it looks good. Let's get this old radiator in there and see what we can make out here.
Yeah, man.
Jesse, dude, you're in business now.
Yeah, man, got it back in there.
Yeah, man. We did find out a trick, though. Take one of these legs off, take it off, put a bottle jack underneath of it to keep the pressure off of it, and then you can ease that radiator back in there because it got car blocked on us and we couldn't get it in there. But if you just take one of those off, it'll easily go in there, use that jack to hold it, and then put your bolts in. We're back in business.
Yeah, man.
Dude, you're looking good.
Yeah, I hope it I hope I get that. I hope that distributor fixes it, and then if it does, I'm gonna finish up on this thing on the outside and then the inside, and be good to go.
Heck yeah, man. Everybody's been asking 55 time, dude.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming right after this one. This one right here, it just had so much going on. I just wanted to tackle it, but right after this thing gets dealt with, I'm back wide open on the 55. I'm tired of seeing it see it.
Heck yeah, man. That 55 will be over in here in Gardner Enterprises.
Yeah,
in a
you dang
heartbeat.
right. Exactly. That's what I built this shed for, was for the 55. Now look at it.
The big kahuna literally is inches in. I mean, like, golly.
It's like fitting a big pig in a little hole. It just
It's a rough deal, man. All right, then, guys, we'll get on out of here and let Jesse have back at it. And Jesse, man, appreciate you, buddy.
Hey, no problem, man. Thank you.
I'm heading home. If you need me, you call, and I'll be there like swimwear, dude. Alrighty, guys and gals, we are back on the Full Metal Go. It is time, Jesse.
Yeah, man.
Heck yeah. All right.
Been too friggin' long, man.
It's been too long. It's been too long. So everybody's been wondering what is going on, what is happening, why have we been down with the GTO, what's going on. So y'all know we broke a lifter and it wiped a lobe on a cam. So we got with Iski, and Iski sent us a brand new cam, brand new lifters, brand new valve springs. We got all that stuff. We're in good shape on that. But as we were tearing down the engine and we were wanting to back check everything just while we had time, because right now, guys, it takes weeks to get parts. If you need a camshaft, I don't care who it's through, or if you need rods or you need pistons, if it's a custom thing,
you're
Jesse,
up creek without a paddle, man.
guys, it's bad. Like, seriously, you're down for a minimum of 6 weeks just waiting on parts, and that's if you don't have to wait in line for somebody else to get theirs done first, type of deal. We're just talking about fab time. That's how long it takes right now. Nobody has nothing on the shelf. It's just part of it. So anyways, big lesson learned on that. So that being said, you know, we've got to think of in the future of, one, getting a bunch of spare parts hoarded up over the winter time so this don't happen to us again. So this upcoming year, we're going to be figuring out how to get more sponsors involved, get more parts hoarded back, so that way going into next season, we don't get sideswiped by a problem like this again, because we don't want to, because it puts us down, the car can't run, and now we're trying to figure out what content to make for you guys during race season, and that's a hard thing to do, ain't it, Jesse?
Yeah, it is, man.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, we've got lots of stuff to work on, but we know you guys want to go see us go race. Whether it's my car or Jesse's car or whatever, whoever is racing, y'all want to see racing content. And when that gets sideswiped and then we got to work on all kinds of other stuff, it just makes it tough. But we've had a lot of sponsors working with us. Permatex came on board with us right there at the perfect time. We literally had to almost replace every single thing in the engine, rods, pistons, camshaft, lifters, valve springs. When you got to do that many things, it's pretty expensive to do. And we got very fortunate Permatex came on board and we were able to replace all that stuff. So we're gonna have a very fresh bullet coming to us.
Yeah, man. Gonna have some pumpkin coming to us too, man.
Yeah, man. This thing, we found some issues inside the motor when we broke it down. Hopefully in the next episode on GTO, we'll be able to show all those issues that we found. We found some things where it was a good thing we stopped where we stopped. I believe if we'd ever added any more power to it than what we were doing,
you'd have tore up more, man.
It'd have been bad. I think we would probably have broke the engine in half, type of deal. So we found some major things that we're glad we found now. So moving forward, we've got Bill Miller rods, we've got Bill Miller pistons coming. They literally shipped out yesterday, and we've got some bad boy parts coming for this thing, and it's gonna be a good piece.
It's gonna be a Hank now.
Yeah, that's right. It's gonna be on that Donkey Kong. So you guys just hang tight. So today we're going to get these injectors installed. Big shout out to Atomizers. They refreshed our injectors for us, and we've got fresh injectors to go in. So today when we work on this intake, getting this bad boy put together. We're going to be using some Permatex products. We're going to be using Fast Orange products. We're going to be using a lot of our sponsor stuff and showing you guys how to use that and how to use it on your race car. So let's get after it. Alrighty guys and gals, it's time to get these injectors put back in this bad boy. So first up, we're going to use a little bit of Valvoline oil here to lube up our O-rings. You don't want to put your O-rings in dry. Oil works great, or some lithium grease, that works well as well. Up next here, we definitely do not want to cross thread our AN fittings. Get yourself some good old Permatex, some anti-seize, put it on your threads there, and you'll be in good shape. We're going to top this deal off with using a good AN wrench to tighten our fittings up. I highly suggest that. These wrenches are pretty cheap nowadays. You can get a full set for under $100, and it'll save your fittings for sure. But we're finishing up getting this put together here. We'll use some Fast Orange hand wipes and wrap it on up. Guys, we're inside the Tempest right now, and I didn't get a headliner put in this thing. I did get all the stuff to do it with. That needs to be an episode we do here real soon, ain't it? So get this headliner replaced. Y'all might like that video. We may have to do that here in the next week or so. But anyways, I'm gonna get on out of here. I just wanted to say thank y'all so much for all the support. Man, big shout out to Skip's Dark Hollow Garage. That's really cool, man, him bringing that Pontiac wheel over and giving that to us. I made sure to give him a hat and t-shirt and a can cooler just as appreciation and the thank you and stuff. He even gave me one of his t-shirts. And man, guys, the community on here on YouTube and Facebook in the car world, man, for me and Jesse, it's been nothing but just positivity, help, man, all of it, man. Just top shelf people, always wanting to help us for what it is that we do. And I just want to take a minute to just say thank you, everyone. That's really cool, man. It really is. So I'm gonna get on out of here. Big shout out to all of our sponsors. You know, definitely the GTO is about to be coming back together here. Big thank you to everyone being patient with us. And you know, man, we've got a heck of a team, heck of people working with us. Jonesborough Armory, Permatex, At Your Convenience, Stiffy's Beard Shop, Ace Garage Doors, Nutramax, man, many more. TSR Racing Products, Aerospace Components, man, everybody's come to the page and just helping us out a bunch. And I know there's some more names in there too, but those are just some of the ones that just run right off the hip there. But thank you, everyone. Make sure you're subscribed. We need all the subscribers we can get. Let's get this deal to 10,000 before this year's out. I think we can do it, man. We're over 8,300 now, and let's get to 10,000 before 2025. Let's do it, guys. So Operation 10,000 subscribers commencing.